They didn't have any box wine? How much is it? $9? You can get it, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, Leo, it's moving. Oh my God. You're getting closer. Oh my God, Leo. Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
Somebody, you got it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You were just so close. Oh my God, honey, for some reason this is killing me. I really want him to get this. Don't help him. Oh my God, nice use of thigh. Yes, do that again. Yes. Don't, oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot, honey. There it is. No. Yes. Leo, don't. Oh my God, Leo. Come on. Oh no. You're going to take down the whole thing. Oh. Yeah, yes. Oh. Oh, Leo. Leo. Oh, no, you're just knocking it everywhere. Oh my God, to the other hand.
No, he got it.
That was obviously on accident, but he... You did it! Leo! You did it! Somehow. Oh my God, was it worth it? Please play with it just for a little while.
Yeah.
Ooh, and look at our new TV. Back to Leo. Good job, buddy.
You want to know what I got?